right, friends, you're gonna draw Dracula.
Yeah, Dracula is a vampire, right?
Yeah.
With sharp teeth?
Yes.
And he drinks your blood. Oh, we hope you're going to follow along with us. You need your drawing supplies. We're using markers, but you can use whatever you have. You also need some?
Paper.
Paper and what else?
Something to color with.
Yeah, you ready to start?
Yeah.
Let's first start by drawing Dracula's face, and we're going to draw his mouth. I'm going to draw the letter U right here. I'm kind of drawing it tall too, right in the middle of our paper, right about here. Yes, and then we're going to draw the top of the mouth. And then right here, we're going to draw 2 lines that go up on each side of the mouth for the sharp teeth. That's the spooky part. and you could also draw this so that it comes up to match the other side. Yeah, and then we're going to connect them at the top. And then we can also draw the tongue down here at the bottom. Then let's color in the middle shape. That part we sped up, so remember, you can always pause the video for extra time. Okay, now let's draw the eyes. I'm going to draw one eye right here and another eye over here, the same size. Yeah, now let's draw a little circle in the top of each eye, and we can color in the big circle. Now let's draw the shape of Dracula's head. We're going to draw a big letter U that comes under for the chin and then back up for the cheek. Yeah, now we're going to draw a guide point. We're going to go right in the middle of the mouth and we're going to draw an imaginary line that comes up here and we're going to draw a little point right there. So you can draw it a little higher. There you go. Yeah, then we're going to draw the sides of the head. We're going to start at the guide point and we're going to draw it coming over and connecting down here, but we want to make sure that we're having a little point. Yeah, you could draw that side coming down to there. And then we're going to draw another line that comes over here. Now let's draw his hair. We're going to draw another guide point right here, kind of above the mouth, right about there. Yeah, and then we're going to draw the letter V. We're going to draw it right here that comes down to the guide point and back up. And then we're going to draw a curve that comes down and connects to the side on each side. I like that you connected it right here. You could also connect right here and come over here. I like that our 2 drawings are different. That's okay, right? The most important thing is?
To have fun and practice.
Yes, to have fun and practice. Both of our drawings are turning out really cool. Okay, now right here on the side, let's draw a line. And we can draw the same line on the other side. Then let's color in the hair in between these 2 lines, but let's leave the sides white. Now let's also give Dracula eyebrows. We're going to draw him kind of angry. Draw a line down on both sides. And let's also draw his pointy ears. We're going to draw a diagonal line coming out on each side. Yes, and then on the other side. And then let's finish the ear by starting at the point, and we're going to draw a curve that comes down to the cheek. Oh, I like how big your ears are. Next time I draw Dracula, I'm going to draw him with big ears. Now we're ready to draw Dracula's body. Let's draw 2 lines that come down from the chin. Yes. And then we're going to draw a line that goes across for the bottom of the body. Now it looks like the letter H. And these 2 little lines down here at the bottom, we're going to turn them into his legs and feet. We're going to draw little letter U's on each side. Now we're going to draw a little decoration for his cape. This keeps it around his neck. We're going to draw a little circle on the left and also a circle on the right. Then we're going to draw a curve that goes in between those 2. Yeah, oh, and we could draw another curve right below it to make it thicker. And let's draw the letter V. We're going to come down and then back up. Yeah, next let's draw his arms. We're going to draw a diagonal line coming down on each side of his body. Yeah. Next, let's connect his sleeves into his body. And we can also draw another line right above on each side. Yeah. And then we're going to draw his hands. We're going to draw a curve coming in and connecting to his body. And what's he missing?
His cape.
Yeah. Let's draw it really big. We're going to draw it coming out like this and like this. And then we can connect that into his legs. You can connect it right there. Yeah, and then on the other side too. And let's go behind his legs and connect here too. Then we can also draw his collar. We're going to draw it really big coming out to the side. So we can draw another line coming out from his neck, under his ears. Yeah, and then on the other side. And then we'll connect it into his ears or his cheeks. And we did it! We finished drawing Dracula. He looks really cool, except we're not completely done.
We still need color.
Yeah, we still need to color it. This part will speed up, so remember you can pause the video and take extra time to color your drawings. You ready to fast forward?
Yeah.
Olivia, give me 5. We did it. We finished drawing and coloring our Draculas, and they turned out so cool, all colored in.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah, and I really like that you added a shadow and you made it look like he's floating.
Yeah.
So I had to add that too. You can pause the video right now to match our same coloring. You could also color your drawings any way you want.
You can also add a background.
Yeah, a really spooky background.
Yeah.
For Halloween. Maybe you could draw some kids trick-or-treating that are running away because they're scared.
Yeah.
Or maybe they're not scared. He's too cute. If you have the same Art for Kids Hub markers, you can use the same colors to match our drawings. We used 75 purple for the skin. We also used 88 pink, 35 yellow, and what color did we use for the red?
Number 15.
Yeah, and CG1 for the shadow.
Yes.
And remember, it's okay if your drawings look different than ours. Both of our drawings look different and they both turned out awesome. The most important thing is
To have fun and practice.
yes, to have fun and practice. And we'll see you later, our friends. Goodbye.